Deadliest hurricanes in U.S. history. Galveston Hurricane 1900. Known as the Great Hurricane of 1900. This deadliest natural disaster in United States history killed between 6,000 and 12,000 people. Next, Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina was a major tropical cyclone that hit the southeastern United States from the 24 to 31 of August 2005, caused severe damage over 200,000 square kilometers and killed 1,836 people. Hurricane Maria. Hurricane Maria in 2017. This hurricane, with a speed of 175 miles an hour, hit the southeastern United States and killed 3,057 people.